What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a solar hat fan, you guys. Now, I wasn't browsing for this product. My wife actually browsed for this product. She know I like wearing hats. She know I like wearing hats outside and all of that stuff. Whether it's winter, spring, fall, I love wearing hats, you guys. It's just a thing that I love wearing, okay? Since I was young. Here we have two fans, solar fans. We have the hat in which they folded up. We should be good with that. So let's see. Now, honestly, with the hat, it feels like a regular hat. Texture feels okay. Right here is ventilated. It has little vent holes right here. It says hand wash. You got your string right here to tighten up on your face. And then you have your two slots for your fans. Fan number one. Oh, we didn't get no instructions. Oh, so it do come with a cable, so you can charge these up via USB type C. Yeah, USB type C if you don't have solar. All right, so that's pretty cool. It has these little, I don't know why these little holes are right there. If this was a misting fan, this would be awesome. You gotta love misting fans, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna take the other one out as well. So my son do have a field trip at the zoo, and this will definitely be a good product to give you all a really good review on. And okay, so that's why the two pins are there. Now, how the heck do you turn this on for once? Let me see. The question is, do it come on by itself and do it work? Oh, okay, there you go. You got to click the button. Oh, okay. So you got to click the button right here. There's a very small button right here. All right. Oh, well, it's not going off now. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so every time you blink it, oh, maybe the speed of the fan. So let's see. Click it once. Okay. Fan down. Oh, this has 3 levels, you guys. All right, so let me put it on my head and I'll let y'all know if I feel the fan. But you can charge this with USB type C, and you take your beauty cover off right here. You take your beauty cover. This is not going out the way I want it to. All right, take it off right there. And there you go, you guys. Charge in the sun. Stay cool. So this is good for fishermen, people that do camping, stuff like that. Yeah, this is awesome. So again, you don't have instructions, you guys. And yeah, so we're figuring this out as we go. So of course the solar goes up. You have these 2 prongs right here. And let's see. Does it snap in? Okay, it snaps right on in. Well, that side snapped in. I think both sides snapped in. Oh, you could angle this. This is awesome. I did not know that. All right. Well, my wife bought it for me, so of course I wouldn't know. So this is pretty cool. It seems like it didn't snap. Okay, now it snapped on both sides. Did it do it on this? I think it did it on this. I hope so. All right, I'm pretty sure this is hard to lose anyway. If it falls off, you kind of know. But let me see. Let me fit this on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and put the solar fan hat on, and ooh, this is a comfortable feel, you guys. The thing I like about this is, you know, that the fisherman hats that's usually like this. Usually the sides are really, you know, flappy, but this is like, I don't know, like cardboard, but it still feels, it feels sturdy. Like it feels like it's I feel like Raiden, you know, like Raiden's hat. Not, you know who Raiden is. Mortal Kombat, you guys. You don't know who Raiden is. So it feels like his hat, all right? But it's like, it stays in place. So that's pretty cool, but I know y'all like blah, blah, blah. How about the fan? So here goes the angle of the fan. So You see it aims directly on me. Hopefully the camera, okay, so the camera's focused. Okay, so you see that it aims directly onto my face, right? I could angle out and then angle out again. And then angle out again. So I don't know why you would want to blow air away. I don't know why, but I'm assuming the main point is to have the fan like this, especially on a summer day. Summer is coming, you guys, and this should be the hat for you, fishermen, campermen, a field trip man like me. I go on my kids' field trips, and sometimes they go on field trips to the zoo, or if you have younger kids, they on field trips to the farm or some field trip where they outdoors, camping, something. This is a good hat to have, especially when kids sports are coming back, you guys. So this will definitely be the hat that I will be using, okay? Even on my reviews, I might be using this hat on my reviews, you guys. This, hopefully y'all can't hear the fan through my microphone. So now we are looking for, this will be the hard part, all right? So we got to flip it back up, find, okay, there we go. So you click the button, and then you could click the level of your fan, and oh, this is amazing, you guys. This, who created this? Y'all know where it's made from, right? Yeah. But whoever thought about this idea must have been a fisherman and really hot outside. Now I got this side in which I need to click it on. Again, you have to learn where the buttons are. Okay, I slid it down, I hit the button, and I'm on level 3, you guys, and oh, this feels so good. Now again, I am in the house, it's not blowing hot air, but if you outside, it should cool you down, you guys. This is amazing. The sun will not hit your face because the brim is out here. All right. So y'all see how far it comes out. I told y'all this is Raiden's hat, you guys. I feel like Raiden. It's like, no, I'm just kidding, you guys. Have a sense of humor. That will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I will put all the specs out for y'all. I didn't go over no specs because I just opened it. It was a birthday present and stuff like that. So I will look at the specs. I will post it for you so you know how long it will last during a full charge. Especially if the sun is hitting it, you will want it like this. So wherever the direction of the sun is located, if it's off, you want it the sunbeams to hit the solar panel, or you charge this before you go outside, and then that will be it. So I will give you the specs on how long it lasts and all of that, but that will be it, you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for sticking with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review. All right, you guys, so the hat works wonderfully, okay? I feel the wind blowing and it feels so good. Well, the wind blowing from the fan, but there's no wind out here today, all right? The fan works well on this hat, you guys. Now, when I had it off, the fan was actually working with the sun alone, but the sun actually have to hit the panels for the fan to work by itself. So I don't know if that's how it's supposed to happen, but the fan was working by itself, and when you don't when you was in the shade, the fan stopped working. So that's when you don't have it automatically on. But when you turn it automatically on, it works well, you guys. But you have to aim it at your face. If you aim it like this, you can't feel the fan. All right, you have to aim it like this. I'm actually working on my lawn diaries, so we are getting the lawn to where it needs to be. The lawn looks okay right now, but as y'all see, those ugly spots, a couple of weeds still there, so we are going to start treating that. I'm going to give it a cut. I'm gonna give it another weed treatment, and then we're going to just keep it going, you guys. We're going to keep it going. We're going to do our own thing. We do our own experiments on the channel. If you followed the channel for a while, then you know last year was probably the best year that the lawn looked. All right,
last year was the best year, you guys. We definitely transformed the lawn last year. So we are going to put the same energy times 10. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.